Guys, welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we got a nice watch face by PS Watchfaces, and it is free for the taking in the Good Manager store, so make sure you go ahead and download ASAP. Now with that being said, let's have a look at it. Now the name of the watch face is called G-Watch Balance. It's an animated watch face. It looks nice. It's for casual wear, definitely a dress down work week watch face. Not a bad look at all. Now in the AOD mode, you will get the same look, the same design as if the watch face was on. And it's not a bad look. Now you got gears that are animated in all four corners of the watch face, which isn't a bad look at all. I do like the stylish hands. You got a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Now up at the top, you are going to get your heart rate information, your steps. You come down, you'll get your battery percentage right there, calories burned. You'll get your date also, and you get animated seconds. So for casual wear, this is not a bad watch face. This is a very nice design by PS Watchfaces, and I like it. But you can go into your step status info, heart rate with the double tap, and it'll come right up. Same thing for your steps. It'll pull it right up. Same thing for your battery as well. So this is definitely a nice look, and you can customize the color of this watch face. Check it out. I like it. Definitely nice. Definitely nice for a casual wear out on the town, and or just for the work week. Not bad. Considering that it's free for the taking, I say it's a download. But at the end of the day, you tell me, what do you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the Funday Sunday watch face review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys are getting ready for the work week and you're getting your rest on. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel, and I see you all at the next one. Take care.